grass, because on the grass replace the support. When you think to make it a slope, but because the vegetable, because the grass, maybe make the support and okay. This is turning point. And we say, last class, we say we can never use chalk to make the position of the support.
Yes.
If the turning point, the support is moved, you can never put it back at some position. Of course, sometimes we say on the compass, maybe the result is similar with a small error. But in real project, that means this situation is a fake one. It's a fake one. Okay? Steps. When you do learning route, or three cans, we say a route is always includes many stations. Many stations. So this is for the first station. For the first station, we just put the road on the benchmark directly. This is the backside road. So the first step, set up the instrument, and aim at the backside road and get reading, and then rotate, aim at the forward road and get reading. In this situation, usually we have 4 people for one group. Of course, sometimes 3 people also enough. Four people. 1 people for backside road, another foresight road. 1 people for instrument operation, 1 people for recording and calculation. Some special situation. The operation of instrument and the recording and calculating is the same person. That means 3 people. Yeah. Okay. As image, we have 4 people. Okay. The first station, we have 4 people. 1 people here put the road for backside, and then we have another 3 people. Yeah. And take the instrument, take the recording book, take the foresight rod. Go ahead. Go forward. And at the position of instrument, we 2 people stand here and set up the instrument. And the recorder here wait. And the 4th people, go ahead and put the foresight rod. So this point is turning point, of course, by Chinese pinyin, 转点. Turning point, TP. In Chinese, we always usually write ZT, okay? TP. This position is chosen by the person take the foresight rod, yeah? So here you should place the support first, and then put the rod. Okay, these 4 people. And then backside reading, forward reading, and the recorder calculates, use backside reading and forward reading to get the vision difference. Okay? So this is station finished. So like this. Okay. Set up the instrument. Backside reading. Forward reading. Okay. Move station. If this station accomplished, we move the station. Move the station, which people move first? Which people move first? The backside road? Or the instruments?
No.
The instrument moves first. And the order given by which person? The move order given by the recorder. Because you must check the result of the calculation is right or not. If the calculation is right, the result is reasonable, so we can move the station. Yeah? after the order given, so the instrument moved from the first station position to the second station position. Okay? Then we move the instrument. So the instrument and the recorder, these two people moved here, yeah?
Yeah.
And sometimes because you say you have a good, you have a good friendship between classmates or guests. So this person moved, and he has some afraid of these people, and you're afraid he's so tired. So okay, guys, come on quickly. Never do that. Okay, never do that, because sometimes if the result is not right, you call him, come here. So he will be moved the road, yeah? Of course, the first station, no problem. But your image, usually in field work, the normal standard of the work is about the learning route one day. Maybe you should take 7 kilometer or 8 kilometer routes. Okay? Yeah? So, for example, let's see, the last station you mean. We just finished the last station, so today we finished all work. Yeah? So everybody is very happy. So you say, get the last backside reading, forward reading, and before checking the result. So this guys, and call this guys, come on, come on, finish. But the recorder calculated and find the result is wrong. Okay, in this situation, because he moved. When he moved, usually he will take the road and take the support. Yeah? If we move, take the support, that means if the result is wrong, well, if you want to repeat, get the backside reading, can you find the same position of the support for backside?
No.
No. So that means because just this station, that means all work of this day should be erased. Repeat. Yeah? So never ask the backside person move. Okay?
Okay.
Never move the support backside. Okay? Of course, you see, if you finish the first station, first of this station, if the instrument move, the record move, so if this person is normal, okay, it's normal. Of course, these people just go ahead. Of course, he will catch up. Yeah. So never worried about him. Okay. Never. Okay. So then, in this situation, if first station finished, the instrument move. So the first station's backside will change to the second station's forset. Yeah? The first station's forset will be changed to the second station's backside. Yeah? In this situation, the move procession, this support will not move. Yeah? Okay. Of course, the second station, because the first station here we not use support, yeah?
Yeah.
But for this station here, do we should use the support?
Yeah, we can use.
You must use that, yeah? You
Yes.
must use. And at the last station, for this benchmark, you use or not? Cannot, yeah, cannot use the support. Okay. This is the steps for learning route. Next week, Monday, we do the second experiment, like this. Okay? And this is the table, recording table. And from point A to point B, we do a learning route. For the first station, you get backside reading 1.832, and the force edge reading 0.671, and in the table here, this is 0.8, this is turning point 1, and the backside reading here, force edge reading here, yeah, just this pen. So this is first station, second station, third station, and fourth station. Okay. Of course, we say this table is not a standard table. That means here we just use this table, but maybe in your country it's different. Okay. But you must understand for each station, in normal process leveling route, we have for each station we have backside reading, foresight reading, and we use backside reading and foresight reading. We will get the elevation difference of this station may be rise or fall. That means maybe positive or negative. Yeah, we just feel separated. Of course, sometimes we just in the sun column is also okay. Okay, this is the first station, second station. Sometimes like this. This is backside, foresight, and this rose is not at this position. Maybe just this position. Okay. I don't know. I express clearly. Okay. That means this is backside, foresight, and this is elevation like this. Okay. Okay. When we finish the observation, so we must calculate to check it's right or not. And here, you see, we get the backside readings, the sum of them. Okay. The foresight reading, the sum of them. The sum of backside reading minus the sum of foresight reading to get the elevation difference between point A and point B. And this number must be equal to here. The sum of rise elevation difference minus the sum of fall elevation difference and the elevation difference between point A and B. These two numbers should be equal exactly. If have a difference even 1 millimeter, that means you must make a mistake in calculation. Yeah? Must be equal precisely. And if point A is elevation is given. Of course, we say the given maybe by the designer, maybe the government, maybe other sponsor. Okay. So point B, the elevation, you can calculate